I can't imagine a world without you.
Loving and fighting, accusing.
Can't imagine a world without you.
I can't imagine a world with you gone. The joy and the chaos, the demons were made up. I'd be so
Come
lost
with me
if
and
you
fight
left
alongside me, or you can go back to Brooke.
Locked yourself
Pray I
in
come back
that
alive.
room,
Oh, Hiccup!
lying on the floor
Please.
when I break through. I pull you in to feel your heartbeat.
I just wanted to
Hear
say
me
thanks.
screaming, please
That's no big
don't
deal.
leave
You have done the same for me.
Hold on, I still want you. Come back, I
I
still
love you, Astrid
need
Hofferson.
Let me take your hand, I'll make you right. I swear to love you all my life. Hold
Slept on the
I still
ground for
need
Astrid.
you.
Yes, in a show of support.
Astrid, you and I have been through everything together. You don't think we can handle this?
Driving a nightmare I can't escape from. Helplessly praying, the light isn't fading. Hiding
you
in the
have me,
shock and
no matter what.
chilling.
Okay, whatever that means, whatever you want it to mean, I am with you. There will always be a hiccup in Astrid. Always.
You
just have to keep fighting and hold on. You need to stay with us.
Please don't leave me.
Obviously, I can't even imagine what this must be like for you. You're Astrid. You're strong and invincible.
Come back, I still need you.
Always been there for me, and I want to always be there for you.
Let me take your hand, I'll make you right. I swear to love you all my life.
It took you so long.
Hold on, I still need you.
Let's find your
I
dad.
don't wanna let go.
No, not
I know I'm not that strong.
Get me off of this thing.
I just wanna hear you saying, baby.
I am the person I am today because of you. I never told you that, but it's true.
Yeah, I just wanna take you home. Hold on, I still
Most
want
stubborn,
you.
most determined knucklehead I know. And now it's gonna be a lot harder.
Come back, I
And where you
still
go, I
need
go.
you.
Thank you for everything.